Ooh, ooh, guess what's part 2? Ooh, ooh, guess what? Part 2. I can't sing, y'all. So, you see, got my nice little long ponytail here that just made me oh so hyped today. But now I'm gonna try and make this into a big bun. So let's get started. All I'm gonna need for this are bobby pins. So I got my jumbo bobby pins right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just wrap it around. Ooh. Just kidding. So now actually what I'm gonna do is take this rubber band out, well, the scrunchie that I had, and I'm gonna continue to braid it all the way to the end now, since I'm doing the bun and I want it to be full all the way around. So I'm just gonna do this really quick. And now I'm just going to tuck this on the inner part of the bun, and then I'm just going to use my bobby pin to hold it in place. Boom! Alright, so now to even out the hair jewelry, I'm just going to add a few to the other side, and then your girl's good to go. Alrighty, and that's it. Told you it was just pins. So I hope you guys also enjoyed this video. Super easy to do. If you've done the ponytail, then it takes you like 2 seconds. If you haven't done the ponytail and you need to know how to even start with this, then definitely check out my previous video. But other than that, thanks for tuning in, guys. Peace.